2018, we made the 1.4-liter multi-air turbo engine with 135 horsepower standard on the Fiat 500. To accompany that performance, we have new front and rear fascias with standard fog lights, side sills, and a new fastback rear spoiler. In addition, on the exterior, we have 16-inch aluminum wheels with performance brakes, performance suspension, and an all-new turbo badge to complete the look. On the interior, we'll find a lot of the same things that you're used to in the past, accompanied by a new Park View rear backup camera, mated to the 5-inch full-color Uconnect touchscreen with Bluetooth audio streaming and voice command capability. The iconic Fiat Italian styling is carried throughout our lineup, and we really have a vehicle that supports families as they grow, from the 500 to the 2-seater open air-top Spider, up to the 500X with all-wheel drive capability, and the 500L with over 40% more capacity and best-in-class interior room versus the 500. These features allow a family to grow with the Fiat brand as they develop the need for more functionality and more capability.